welcome to you my new video after a long period of time. Today we know about the ledger. Ledger is a very important concept in accounting and it is an important topic in accounting. Then today we know about the ledger. Ledger. What is ledger? Ledger is a primary or principal book of accounts. Ledger is a primary or principal book of accounts. Ledger is a primary or principal book of accounts and it is the most important book in accounting system. It is the most important book in accounting system. It contains all the transaction. That means it contains all the accounts which are transferred from the journal entry. It contains all the accounts which are transferred from journal entry. And ledger is the permanent storehouse of all the accounts. Ledger is the permanent storehouse of all accounts. And in ledger the information is classified by nature. In ledger information classified by nature. Then overall ledger is a primary or principal book of accounts and ledger is the permanent storehouse of all accounts. That means we know about and we find all accounts in ledger. Which features of ledger? Then first features, it is the principal or primary book of accounts. The features of it is the first features of ledger. It is a principal or a primary book of accounts. And next is the transactions are classified. The transactions are classified under appropriate head which is called account. And next is the accounts contains the accounts contains the summarized record of all related transactions. It is the third features of a ledger. And next is it is the base of preparing the final accounts. And last is the format of ledger. Format of ledger looks like English letter T. Then all are the features of a ledger. First feature is the ledger is the principal or primary book of accounts. And second is the transactions are classified under appropriate head, which is called account. And third is the accounts contents. The accounts contains the summarized record of all related transactions, which is very helpful to know about the transactions and what happened in these transactions. And it is the base. It is the base for preparing final accounts. Final accounts prepare from the information taken ledger. Information taken from the ledger. And the format of a ledger looks like English letter T. Debt. Debtor ledger. Creditors ledger. And general ledger. Debtor ledger also called as a sales ledger. Also called as the sales ledger. Creditor ledger also called as the bought ledger. Bought ledger. Sales ledger show all the accounts of debtors. It show all the accounts of debtors. Bought ledger show all the accounts of creditors. Of the creditors. And in general ledger show all the accounts other than debtor and creditor accounts. And next we know about the format of a ledger. Format of a ledger. Format of ledger looks like English letter T. English letter T. In this table, date, particular, journal folio and amount. Next, date, particular, journal folio and amount. Date, particular, journal folio and amount. It is the debit side and it is the credit side. Debit side and it is the credit side. In date column we put the date, and in particular write for a account to name of the credit account in journal. And in journal folio we put the number of pages of journal entry for the future reference. And in this column, amount column, we put the debit amount. And next, as debit side, in the credit side we put the date, and in particular column we write by name of debit account in journal, debit account in journal, and put the credit amount in amount column. That overally it is the types of ledger and the format of a ledger. Thank you.